Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my channel again and welcome to Pherl TV. So for today's video, I will just share you the tip and strategy on how to make your leftover rice and viand special, okay? And add additional ingredients to make it more special, okay? In this video, here I'm cooking leftover rice, okay? I'm cooking leftover rice and I added the leftover corned beef with potato. Okay, as you can see fibers. It's corned beef, okay? Meat. Okay, and then I added the fresh cabbage, guys. I added the fresh cabbage. Yeah. To make this more special, okay? So do not throw your leftover corned beef. Do not throw your leftover rice. Okay, you can make it more special by recycling, you know, diba? Recycling food recycling, okay, and add healthy vegetables, okay, that your family would love to eat, okay? So isip na lang kayo kung ano yung masarap na pang-ulam. Pwede din daing, diba? Kung ano, any ulam na gusto nyo. Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. This is already done. Luto na siya. Turn off ko na. Ayan. Magluluto na ako ng pang-ulam namin. Yummy! Yummy, yummy! Leftover rice. Okay?